Can you tell which sounds I can actually hear? This is what a hearing test looks like from my perspective. I'm sitting in a sound booth when the audiologist plays tones at different pitches and volumes. Every time I hear one, I raise my hand. If I don't move, it's because I didn't hear anything. It may look simple, but every raised hand represents the sound my ears were able to detect. And every time I don't respond, it's a reminder of the parts of the hearing world I've been missing. This test is called an audiogram, and it's one of the most important tools audiologists use to measure hearing loss. The results of tests like this eventually led me to my decision to get a cochlear implant. You can't hear the sound the audiologist is playing in this video, so let me recreate what happened.